Hi, this is Gehan from Gehan's Test Automation Lab. Today I will explain how to get screenshot of a particular web page, how to get a screenshot of a particular web area, and getting a screenshot of a particular web element. In Selenium 3, we used to get screenshot of a particular web page, but after introduction of Selenium 4, we were able to get screenshot of particular web area and a particular web element. I will use uh, Wix.com as my testing website, and I will take a screenshot of this web page once it loads, and after that I will scroll down to this section, and I will take a screenshot of this highlighted area, and I will for the web element I will capture this get started text. First, you need to create a Maven project. I have already created a Maven project, and in my POM.xml file, there are several dependency I have added. First one is Maven core dependency, second one is Google Guava dependency, and third one is TestNg dependency. Fourth one is the Selenium Java dependency, and the fifth one is the Webdriver manager dependency. All these dependencies can be downloaded through Maven repository, and you can go to Maven repository and you can search for Selenium Java, and you can click on this link. You can click on the latest one, which is the Selenium 4 Alpha 7 version, and you can copy this dependency and paste it in your POM.xml file. Likewise, you can search for Maven core, and you can click on the link and you can get the latest one, 3.6.3, and you can copy this dependency and paste it in your POM.xml file, and you can get the TestNg dependency, and you can click on that link, and I have taken 6.14.3, which is the stable version. You need to copy this dependency and paste it in your POM.xml file, and you can get the Guava dependency as well. Click on this link and you can get the 13.1 GRE dependency from here, and you can get the Webdriver manager dependency. Go to Google and just type Webdriver manager, and you can click on the first link. After that you just scroll down and you can get the dependency from here. After adding all the dependency to the POM XML file, you need to create a Java class in your test package. Under test package, under Java folder, you need to create a Java class, a new Java class, and you can put any name you want. I will put screenshot test, and in this class I will, since I'm using TestNg, I will use annotation before this suite, and I'm using Webdriver manager. If I'm using Webdriver manager, I need not to set the Chrome driver path using set properties. So Webdriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. After that, I need to create I'm using Chrome driver, so I need to create an object, Chrome driver, new Chrome driver. Then after that I need to assign it to a Webdriver and driver reference variable, and after that I need to add my test. So I'm using test annotation for that, and you can give any name. I'm writing entire screenshot, entire page screenshot. So this will get the entire screenshot which is in Selenium 3. So before that I need to get cast my driver to take screenshot class. I can use this screenshot. I need to cast my driver to that. In order to cast my driver, so before casting my driver I need to define the driver. So in the top I need to define Webdriver driver. Then after that I can use that driver here and take screenshot class and a variable. After that I can use that variable dot get screenshot as I need to define the output type. So it's a file type, so you can write output type dot file. I need to get this file to a variable. Since it's a file output type, I need to get file class. I'm using file class. I need to import it file and I can give a name. So once take a screenshot, it will store in the memory. So after that I need to get it to a variable file. This is my variable. After that I need to define a target location where the screenshot should be saved. In the beginning I can get the project path. I can put string path and I can define the project location. System dot get property, and inside that I can write user dir, that means the project location. So file target location, new file. In this I need to mention the path, so I will write path. That means if I write like this, it will save the screenshot in the Selenium for project level. It will save here the screenshot so that I will create a new folder inside this project. I will create new folder. Screenshot. So I have created a folder under the project called screenshot. So path I need to append concatenate and I need to get the I need to go inside the screenshot folder. So I need to write screenshot. You need to write the folder name here. So since I have name it as screenshot, I will write screenshot. After that I need to append it and I need to give the file name and I will write entire page. Then after that I will append it to system current means. That means I will get the current system time. It will append that. It will get the time and it will append to entire page text. After that I need to append the file type. It can be JPEG, it can be PNG, any type you can put. After that I need to once save the file in the memory, I need to take that file and I need to copy that to the target location. In order to do that, I will use file utils dot copy file and I will need to if I go to this method, you can see file. That means I need to pass the source and the target location. First I need to pass the source and the target location. I need to import the exception. So before that, since I am using the Wix.com as my test website, I need to go to that website driver.get. I need to get the URL. Wix. Just copy this URL and paste it here. And once open the URL, you need to maximize the window. So driver.manage.window.maximize. So let's run it and see. Under screenshot folder, if I unfold it, you can see I have given entire page plus the current time. This is in milliseconds plus the file type. If I click on this, you can see the entire page has captured. Now I will capture a particular web area which is in Selenium 4, and I will write another test. I will write web area. You can give any name you want, and this is same. I need to scroll a little bit down and come to this section, and I need to capture this area. So first I need to capture this element. Just right click, inspect. It's in under span. Just go a little bit up and you can see it's under section. Here you can see section, so it's under number 3 section. So I will capture this one, and I'm using relative XPath. Control F, you will find this text box, and you can use relative XPath /. Then after that I need to pass div because it's inside the div tag. Div open square bracket at data test id. Just copy this. This is the attribute at equal. Within single quote you need to paste this one, this text. Since it's already there, I will close the bracket. Okay, there are now I have captured this one. There are 53 with the same XPath, 1 out of 53. So I want to capture this. So I need to go to the /section open square bracket 3. It will highlight this area. You can, if you move your mouse pointer on top of it, you can see the area gets highlighted. Here you can see. So I will copy this and I will go to my test. I am using, in order to scroll, I am using Javascript Executer. I need to cast my driver So I will write JavaScript Executer driver dot execute script. In this I need to pass a string and an object. Before that I will define the driver dot find element by XPath. I will copy that XPath which I have copied, and I will assign to a element. First I need to define that element on top of my class web element. I will now since I need to pass two parameters, one is the string arguments, 0th argument dot scroll into view true, and I need to pass the element. This will scroll until this element is visible, and I need to capture the screenshot of this. That means this area I want. If I move my mouse pointer a little bit up, you can see here this is the area. That means I need to go to this div. Since I have already have come up to this section 3, I can straight away write div at data dash test id. So if I write like this, there are two XPaths which has the same. I need to capture this one. That means I need to go to the second div. I will write div 2. From here I'm going to div 2. Inside div 2 I need to go to div 2 again. Div, alright, div 2. Here. Now I capture the area. Just copy this and I will write driver dot find element by XPath, and I will paste that XPath. I will name this as element 1. After that I need to take a screenshot of this element 1. In order to do that, I will write element 1 dot get screenshot as output type file. I need to get it to file since it's storing in my memory source, and after that I need to define my target location file target, and I need to create a new file object. Inside that file object I need to specify the path which I am going to save my screenshot. Since I want to save it under screenshot folder, I will write path append screenshot, and you can give any name. I will write web area, and I will append the system dot current time mails. Then you can give any extension. I will write .png, and I need to copy. I'm using file utils dot copy file source destination to target destination target. It will scroll to this section, and let's see, this is the screenshot web area and the current mails. You can see this area got captured. Now I'll show you how to capture a particular web element, same as like this. And you need to, since I'm capturing the get started text, just same text, but the only difference is text path. Web element, and here I need to specify the web element which I am going to capture. Since I am already have captured this web area, let's I need to capture this get started text. Just right click on that, you can see it's here. I need to go to this anchor tag, so I will write I can write like this, / anchor tag square bracket at this attribute equal get started. So this is the XPath. If I move my mouse pointer on top of it, you can see get started gets highlighted. So copy this XPath and you need to replace it here. After that, you can web element. I'll rename this as web element. Let's run it and see. In here you can see web element. You can see get started gets captured. So now let's look at how to capture when a test fails. When a test fail and I need to capture that web page. In order to do that, I will write another new test class. I will write public void screen. You can give any name. This is a method. This is my test. And in here, I will click on the sign in button and go to sign up page. I will click on the sign in button and go to this page, and I will purposely I will give a wrong XPath for the sign up button to make the test fail, and I need to get a screenshot of this web page. In order to get this sign in button, I will use relative locators. So I will capture this element and this is the language icon. I can capture it from language picker button. Since it's a button, relative using relative XPath button, open square bracket at this is the attribute name equal the value. Language picker is the value. Copy it and paste it here. This is, if I move my mouse pointer, you can see then it gets highlighted. Copy this and you need to paste it. Driver dot. First I need to go to the web page driver.get. I need to pass my URL here driver.manage to maximize the page. Manage dot window dot maximize. Then after that I need to define that driver dot find element by XPath, not by XPath, the driver relative locator dot with tag name. So I need to put the tag name here. So let's see what's the tag name. You go to the web page. So since I want to capture this this element, I need to first find the tag name. So you just move a little bit up and you can see it's under li tag. So you can see here, if I unfold this one, you can, if I move to the last li, you can see sign in button gets highlighted. So if I move a little bit top, you can see language gets highlighted. So I need to move between these LIs. In order to do that, I will write li here and I need to move to the right hand side. Since I am capturing this element, so I need to capture this sign in button. So sign in button is in the right hand side of this language icon. So I need to write dot right to right off. Since it's in the right hand side, I need to specify the XPath here by dot XPath, and I will paste that XPath which I have copied, and I will write dot click. That means I am clicking the sign in button. So this will direct to the sign up page, and after that I need to click the sign up button, but I am purposely writing a wrong XPath to make it fail. So this is the sign up. I can use a name attribute. So it's a button. Attribute is the name and submit is the value. Just copy it and paste it here. Submit. It will highlight at the submit sign up button. Since I need to make it wrong, I will add the dummy value here. I will copy that text path and I will paste it here, and I need to click that button. So this actually this will fail. I need to copy this URL. So in order, when this test fail, you will get a screenshot. So in order to do that, I need to use TestNg listener. TestNg listener is a interface which is in the TestNg framework. So under source main, I need to create a new Java class. I will name it as test listener. So I need to implement ITestListner. ITestListner. So you can see there's no suggestion because I need to uh, import my TestNg jar file into my project. In order to do that, I will go to the Maven repository and search TestNg. Go to this link. Since I use 6.14.3, just click on it, and you can see here jar link. Just click on this jar link and you can, so it gets downloaded. After downloading it, you need to set it in your project. Since I am using IntelliJ, I need to click on this file, select project structure. Under that, under modules, click on dependencies tab here. In the dependency, you need to click on this plus icon and click on jar, and you need to give the location. It's under downloads. Here you can see TestNg jar file has downloaded. You just click on it and click OK. So you can see here it get added to the list. Just click apply and OK. After that, if I test listener, here you can see the suggestion came ITestListner. You select that. This is the interface. That's why I'm using implements. And you need to, if it's a interface, you need to implement all the methods in your class. So I will click on implement methods. So there are several methods in ITestListner class. So I need to implement all the methods in my class. There are several methods on test start, on test success, on test failure, likewise. So since I need to get a screenshot when the test fail, so I need to write my code under this block on test failure. Before that, I will create a separate method for taking screenshot. Public void take shot, and I will pass two parameters. One is the method name which is string. Other one is the driver, Webdriver driver. And I need to take the screenshot. So I will use take screenshot class, and I need to cast my driver. Once cast it, I am using ts dot get screenshot as I need to specify the file type, output type as file, and I need to assign it to a file variable. I need to get the file class, and I need to source. This screenshot will be stored in my memory, and I will assign to a variable called scr, and I will specify the target destination. Yeah, I'm going to save my new file. I am creating a file object. I need to specify the path. So this is a new class, so I need to string path, and I can system dot get property, and I can give the project location user dot dir, and I can pass path concatenate. I need to go to the inside my screenshot folder, so I will write screenshot folder, and I will append and I will give the, since I'm passing method name, I will use method name, so it will get the method name, and it will start the file from that method name append current mills. I will system dot current time mills. It will get the current time, system time, plus I need to specify the file extension type .png. After that, I need to copy the from file from source to target location. File util dot copy file from source file to destination file. The first one, source file is scr, destination file is tar. I need to add the exception. Okay, so this method can be used in my on test failure. This method I am going to use. Before that, I need to go to my test. I need to go to my test. In test, I need to set the I need to create a before class. Before class. Inside that, I'm using ITest context. ITest context will It's under org package. First I need to set the attribute constant context. Sorry, I need to specify the method public void. I will write set driver context. Driver context. Sorry. Inside that I need to ITest context. Context. In this it's a interface. If I go inside, you can see it's an interface context which gets all the attributes of that driver. So I need to set the attributes to that ITest context. In here, I can use that context dot context dot get at set attribute. First, you need to set the attribute. In this set attribute, you can see first I need to pass a string and then an object. If I go back, first I need to pass the string. String I need to, since it's WebDriver, and the object is the driver. Yeah, I'm going to set it. Set the attribute. So after setting the attribute, I need to first I need to add a at listener on top of my test class at listeners. Open bracket. I'm using. I need to give the class name which I test listener. So test listener dot class. So if I add this on top of my test class, if I execute in the test, once the test fail, it will listen to that execution. If it's fail, it will go to this class, test listener class. So the test listener class has all the methods. So once the test fail, it will call this method and it will execute the script which is written under this method. So I need to write now I need to get this one dot get name. That means I am getting the name of my test class. There are several test names. So if I go to my test class, since I am going to run this method, it will take this method screenshot when fail. So I will get it to a string variable. I will define as method name. and I need to get the dot get context, and I'm into ITest context. After that, I'm using context dot get attribute. Here I'm going to get the attribute which I have set, and I need to cast it to a Webdriver. I need to cast it Webdriver driver Webdriver driver. So here I will cast it to the driver, and this is the driver I'm passing here. So I will remove this one, and the method name is the method name I have taken to a variable. So I will pass that method name here, and I will call this take screenshot method, which is in the same class which I have written here. It will call this method. So now let's run our test and see. For that there are several errors. Yes. Attribute. I need to pass the string. So I need to pass the string driver. Now let's run the test and see. This is the test we are running. This one. Let's run and see. Here you can see screenshot when fail. This method name plus the system time. If I go click on it, you can see since sign up button is the I have given a wrong XPath, so the error happened here. It will get the screenshot of that entire page. So that's all for today. Hope this will helpful for you all, and if you think this video is helpful, please give like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.